Plato is born in 428–427 BCE in Athens, Greece, to an aristocrat family. His early life is ped by the turbulent political environment of Athens, which influences his philosophical journey and dedication to understanding justice and the universe. In his youth, Plato becomes a student of Socrates, who introduces him to the art of questioning and the search for truth. Socrates' influence profoundly shapes Plato's ideas about the nature of reality, knowledge, and morality. After Socrates' death, Plato leaves Athens and embarks on travels to learn from various thinkers of his time. During these travels, he begins to explore the mysteries of the cosmos and humanity wise place within it. Around 387 BCE, Plato establishes the Academy in Athens, one of the earliest institutions for philosophical and scientific study. The Academy becomes a gathering place for scholars to discuss topics including mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy, laying the groundwork for future exploration of the stars and planets. In his dialogue Timaeus, Plato presents his vision of the cosmos as a harmonious, ordered structure. He describes a divine craftsman man who created the universe with purpose and precision, portraying the cosmos as a living organism with a soul. Plato explains his theory of RMS, which suggests that everything in the physical world has a perfect form or ideal in a high immaterial realm. He considered the cosmos itself a reflectio of these perfect forms, an idea that inspires both early astronomers and astrologers to see the universe as structured and knowable. In Timaeus, Plato describes a world soul that animates the universe, connecting all living things and heavenly bodies. This concept influences future thinkers who interpret the stars as guiding forces, linking astrology with human destiny and the divine. Plato's fascination with geometry leads him to associate the cosmos with perfect shapes, known today as the Platonic solids. Each solid is linked to one of the classical elements: earth, air, fire, water, and ether. These shapes become symbolic in both astronomical and mystical traditions. The dialogue Timaeus also took he's on the music of the spheres, the idea that celestial bodies emit a form of harmony as they move. This concept, later adopted by both astronomers and astrologers, suggests a hidden order to the cosmos, inspiring the belief that stars influence human life. Plato's student, Eudoxus of Cnid, builds on his teacher's idea and develops an early model of planetary motion using concentric spheres. Eudoxus's work represents one of the first mathematical attempts to explain the movements of celestial bodies and is an important step towards the development of ancient astronomy. Through his philosophical teaching, Plato indirectly encourages the study of astronomy. Hebeli, Eves that by observing the heave. Ns, humans can learn about the RDER and structure of reality, belief that inspires future astronomers to look for patterns in purpose in the stars. Plato's ideas become foundational for the Neoplatonists, a philosophical movement that merges high theories with mystical thought. Neoplatonists interpret Plato's cosmic ideas as proof that the stars and planets have divine influence, merging philosophy with astrological practices. As his influence spreads, Plato's ideas on cosmic order and style harmony shape the worldview of scholars throughout the Mediterranean, influencing both scientific and mystical perspective on the stars for centuries. In 347 BCE, Plato passes away in Athens, leaving behind a legacy of philosophical works that continue to shape the study of the cosmos, philosophy, and human existence. His academy endures as a center for learning, inspiring astronomers, philosophers, and astrologers for generations to see. Though he is gone, Plato's teachings endure. His vision of a harmonious cosmos and the connectio between human life and celestial patterns resonates throughout history, laying philosophical groundwork that bridges ancient astronomy and astrology with the study of the universe.